Hey, what's up my peoples? How's it going? Today we will be working on the Lexus IS300 and we will be installing some brand new front fenders and a bumper. So basically get a front lift. I do have a grill coming in as well, but it is not here yet. It's on back order, so we won't be able to get to it onto this video unless and if I do, then it got here on time, but before I finish the video, but so far I don't think it's gonna get here on time. So, but let me show you guys what we're working. So here are the fenders that we'll be installing. These are charge speed replicas. These did come from Russia, so they took like over a month to get here. But funny thing about it, so here's the bumper that I got. This is just like I don't really know. There's this maker that makes them, same from Russia as well. But I ordered the bumper first, and I think I ordered like 2 weeks first, and the fenders got here first, then the bumper, so which was pretty weird. But here are the fenders that I will be installing. They are 20 millimeters wider. I would show the other one, but it's on the car already. But here's the bumper as well. I really love the bumper, it's really aggressive, but the thing that sucks is that it came cracked from right here and right here. So it almost pretty much meets halfway into splits. But the good thing about it is that I basically got a full refund on this, so I basically got this for free and I could pretty much fix it. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I do already have the front bumper off since I took it off on my last video when I replaced the headlights. If you guys want to check that out on my previous video, I will leave a link here somewhere below or check the description. But to get the fenders off, we can go ahead and pop to get the front fenders off. You're going to have to take off the headlight, which is 2 bolts. I mean 2 bolts in the front, so one right here, one right here. Also too, there might be a clip with your bumper to switch your bumper off though. There's also 2 nuts back here. Also, you will have to take off the fender liner. Mine does not have fender liner because the recent owner took it off. So yeah. Also too, there will be 2 nuts right here. There will be a bolt right here and a nut over here, and there will be 2 bolts down here below. Bolts over here, one right here, and one right there. Well, it's over here. If you open the door, you can see it right. Oh, hey, mine's missing. Well, it's supposed to be. Let me try to get this more focused. It's supposed to be right there, but mine is missing. So this is what it looks like, a little mocked up, just on really quick. I kind of like it, I kind of don't. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but it's going to be a little of a process to put it on because I have to drill literally every hole to make it work. Alright guys, so I put the first one on just to see what I'm gonna go through to show you guys all, but so far here is one of them mocked up on the driver's side. I like it, and then I don't know how I feel about it yet. Like, it's cool, and then I don't know, it's like a little squarish, but then I don't know. Honestly don't know how I feel. Also the fitment, it's not that bad. It took me a while to get it through, but it's still not the best. As you can see right here, it's not the best. It goes really good until it meets over here. It's a little on the fender. The hood's a little on the fender right there. Also too, it's a little more of a gap right here than the OEM one. But so I mean, I know it's not supposed to be perfect and all, but I mean, kind of bothers me, but you know, what do you expect, right? But I mean, it looks cool, and I don't know, maybe once it's on one color it'll look a lot better. But I mean, this is what we got. At first I couldn't fit the headlight, but then I kind of got it. It's about OEM fitment, as you can see over here. Looks about the same. But yeah, you see this one, it's perfect. And then over here, it's really nice. And then over here as well, it's a little bit of a gap right there. So the first thing you want to do is drill out these holes. There's like these little indents right here, and you're gonna want to drill those out. So after you drill your 3 holes, you're going to want to test fit it and make sure you like it where it goes. So you're pretty much going to look to see right here and through the hood. So after you got it to how you like it, you're going to want to drill these holes out. So 1, 2, and 3. A marking for that back one, all the way in the back over there. The one you get from the door is I like to grab a rattle can, just like this, and just spray it in there so it could mark the hole. And that's like my best assumption right there. There's a marking that the black paint made, so you're gonna want to go ahead and drill out that center. Alright, I got my hole in, and I got my bolt in right there. You guys see it? Alright, I got my bolt in right there. Next thing you want to do is drill the 2 holes that go under here. I pretty much just eyeballed those 2. And after those, you are pretty much good to go in and put the headlight in. So before you put the headlight in, you want to drill a hole right here. That's where the headlight sticks in. So I did go ahead and install the headlights, and I did mock up the bumper a little bit. I pretty much just drilled a hole on the bumper here and a hole on the fender here, and I just did a zip tie. I think a zip tie is going to be my best bet for now, because I don't really know another way to mount it, so I think that would do for now. But this is pretty much what it's looking like at the moment. So right now I got to figure out, I got to sand this a little bit down to fit the grill, because the grill's a little tight. Alright, so the last clip I showed was me putting the bumper, well, I didn't even show me putting the bumper on. I think I got carried away. I do not know. I did that video a while ago, but things have been moving pretty fast and I have not had time to record. But at the moment, the front end is pretty much painted, so I can't reveal that just yet. That's gonna be for the next video. I'm gonna reveal the new color of the Lexus. So this is pretty much where I'm gonna end that video, because yeah, I haven't had time to record. Well, I had time, I just procrastinate, forget my camera, etc, etc. But yeah, my buddy Noe, it's painting the car. We're doing it bit by bit, but right now the whole front end is painted at the moment, and I can't really show you guys how I can't really show you guys how it is in this video. So it's pretty much gonna spoil my next video, so it is a good cutoff. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned, since next video will be the color reveal, so you don't want to miss that out if you're really curious or not. I mean, who knows? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and stay progressive.